Magandang umaga. Good morning. It's drizzle, not raining, but drizzly day today. So the flower looks a little different because the sun is not existent right now. Well, it's out there somewhere, but the flower usually follow the sun. And they just bloom and show their beautiful existence and appearance for the day. Oh, how pretty is that? That's what bee looking for, huh? All right. Get down out of my step stool. Yes, I admire my flower. I'm losing my voice. All right, folks. This video is a little longer than usual, sorry. Talk to you later. Have a safe Thursday. As always, I thank you. And bye for now.